Will virtual conferencing completely replace the face-to-face meetings in the post-COVID era? Will the delegates stop to travel to conferences now and connect from the comfort of their laptops? Is it the end of the road for the meetings industry? These are the questions the world is pondering over as the global meetings industry comes to a complete halt during the corona pandemic. And these questions are just and fair. The corona outbreak has led to so much of fear and anxiety in the world that it has forced every business, every industry to ask difficult questions like these. And with the travel, tourism, hospitality, and the aviation space worse affected, questions like these are not surprising at all. But will the virtual conferences replace the face-to-face meetings? The answer is a big no. Hello and welcome to another insightful edition of MICE India, the platform for evolving landscape of the global meetings, incentives, conferences and the business events industry. My name is Shekhar. I'm the editor of the MICE India magazine and director of marketing at Luxury MICE Travel. I hope that you, your families are safe and healthy. In this episode, we will walk you through 3 key reasons why virtual conferences can never replace the face-to-face meetings. So let's just dive in and find out. At number 1, MICE is all about meeting of people one-on-one. In the meetings industry, meeting of people is essential. The human software is central in the meeting space. The emotional connect is so inspiring, so profound that one cannot think that face-to-face conferences can ever be replaced by virtual meetings. It all begins with getting on that airplane, standing in long queues, walking in the aisles, rubbing shoulders with other travelers, and then at the conference, those handshakes, those hugs, those pats, those applauses, those cheers, and those selfies. All these ignite such an intense bond between the delegates that resonate far later, even after the conference is over. Does the virtual platform deliver this emotional combo? No. At number 2, experiences and engagements. Some of the big global conferences like the Mobile World Congress, the Microsoft Annual Conference, and the Adobe Summit were immediately called off as the corona pandemic gathered pace. Couldn't these tech giants have shifted their conferences to virtual, saved millions of dollars, and reduced carbon footprints as well? No. The virtual conference does not deliver an in-person experience. Conferences alone are not the reason why people travel. It is the experiences and engagements that are woven around a conference that make the conference memorable and complete. And finally, the third and the most important reason, the trust factor. Trust is only built during face-to-face interactions as you connect and interact with people over a span of 2-3 days. What you bring back from the conference is just the trust factor. Businesses usually happen a little later. So essentially what we are talking here is that one-on-one meeting between people is essential. Immersive experiences, engagements and interactions over 2-3 day period leads to building of trust to start a new business relationship. Having said all of that, I am neither denying nor undermining the importance of virtual conferences. These are powerful business tools for internal communications, educational sessions, and training purposes. Yes, one may look at hybrid conferences for people who are not able to travel to conferences, but virtual conferences completely replacing face-to-face conferences is a big no. It's a no-brainer that the meetings, trade shows, and the business events industry will take a while to bounce back after the COVID episode, but it will be far more resilient, far more robust than ever before. I hope I have been able to bring value on the table for you. In this long lockdown period, we have completely revamped our MICE India industry web portal, and I strongly suggest that you visit miceindia.com and stay on course with the latest developments in the global meetings, incentives, conferences, and the business events industry. If you have an upcoming event, please do write to us at sales@luxurymice.com, and we will share some ideas with you. I will connect with you in my next episode. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.